Yeah. What? Mr. George from Kopara. The white say with our family. Now, this is my real story. Yeah. Kuchoka mutwentwen chakuti nina bwana nkalapo na makolo yanabwa yanisiya after 2 years ago when I was with my brother who was there too. In one house there is a child who was called by the name of Yunda. That guy was not fair at home. He don't ikalana bakulu bangazuya he now if into fiali kwefya kosa twale ikala tule sonka la ifipamwamba tuyenda che bangono base baona kuti life itirimo yakosa noni pasa kokanchito kenezo sebenza ine as I was still young nezeli mwana olimba until this day I'm still strong. Now this is my story, this is my real story. Once makolo bana bwa dabwa kuti mwana iwe wafika party bo ambo 7 insufuno zinkalila olobwa nabwache nabauza kuti niliko na place where we stay. There is a bad problem that we haven't there. We should trust in God who is in heaven. There's a nabwati dalisa tipa sama daliso pamene tenzelili petenzo gala ise naba blada wanga abo bana badesa vintu vesi vizivi kwa imwe ninga singa uze cause this is a song that I sing. I can't tell you anything, everything. Hey, only God knows, only God knows. I can't tell you anything, but fiance for Charlie Chita Vadi until this year we are now. Is a good story that I have tell you. No one knows this story, I tell you. Life yaliko sabanwe samba yakasuba onso wa muchetekela takaponi nwene nzala na ngumufya vipa muchetekele nino kumupela la vyonse. Mr. Joe from Kopala umupondo one na kupo shabo Urishani we onse Zambia we are all one. We love you.